This is hands down the least used feature I've ever seen in Squarespace, and it's the ability to add a chart. Now, I think the first or second site ever that I built on Squarespace, I added a chart, and I was like, whoa, this is so cool. And then literally ever since that moment, I've probably built about 750 websites. I haven't put a single chart in. However, I know that there is a market for this, and I know that people want charts on their site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add one onto your Squarespace site really easily. So on our site here, let's imagine we want to, under here, just add a chart. So we click on edit on the page that we want to add it to. And what we'll do is we'll make some space here, and we'll click on add a block, and we're going to look for chart. So I'm just going to type chart, and there we go. What I'll do is I will spread it out. I may as well make it the size of the page. Actually, it's way too big. Let's just do it like this. Okay. So it's going to have some random content in, some filler content. All we need to do is double click on it. So you'll have a few options first off for the design. So you can choose the color palette. I'll just go for grayscale for now. You can give it a title. So I'll just put chart title. And if you want, you can put a caption. Sounds cool. Coming like a 10-year-old with that caption, but you know how it is. So also, if you want, you can put the legend on, which is, no, that's not me. Another terrible joke. The legend is obviously just the colors, the colors that are on the chart and what it corresponds to. So data, what chart type do we want? Do we want a bar chart, a line chart, or do we want a pie chart? So completely up to you how you want to visualize your data. Okay, there we go. We managed to get the pie chart added. So once you've decided on a chart type, you have the option to flip the X and the Y, and then you can add in your chart data. So for instance, let's say we'll go with industries. So web design, I don't know, Facebook ads, and then social media management. We'll just call it SMM. And then we'll say market size by, I don't know, million. And then we'll say web design. And you can see how the chart changes immediately around this, which is cool. And then if you want to add in some more data points, we can flip this to, let's say, just a line chart. And then we can add something in here. So then we'll say average deal size in dollars. And we'll say, I don't know, 15,000. And you can see again how the chart changes. Let's do 6,500 for ads, and then we'll do 8,000 for SMM. And you can see how the chart starts to plot. Now, I can't pretend to be a chart aficionado, but you can see how that data is visualized and how it's nice and interactive on the site. So hopefully you found this useful. Maybe you did if you're watching it. I'm sure there's some chart folks out there, but if you did find it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.